Hi, my name is Adam Elgriani. I'm from Kendall Park, New Jersey, right next to Princeton, and this is my 2014 Evo 10.
So what you got going on the outside here? I've never seen this kit before.
So it is a Varis wide body kit. Basically, I did everything Varis on the exterior, Varis hood, Varis canards, the wing, everything.
And this is carbon, right?
Yeah, it's a full carbon hood. I decided to paint it a little bit
Yeah, I like
different.
that. Yeah.
And it's funny because actually if you go into Need for Speed and you customize a Varis Evo,
Yeah?
the paint actually comes out just like that.
Serious? Is this a stock paint job or what is it?
It's actually the OEM color. It's
This? Oh.
Mercury Gray Evo 10. The kit itself comes with the front bumper, fenders, side skirts, quarter panels, and the rear bumper.
Your quarters look like one piece.
They are. Well, actually molded on there.
So you molded on the kit.
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
Who wants to see rivets?
That's true, that's true. It looks super clean.
Yeah.
To me though, it would be a total pain to fix one corner, right?
Yeah, unless you have a guy that knows what they're doing. Like
Yeah.
the guy that actually did the work, Lito's Customs in Long Island.
Yeah.
He's done 2 cars for me, so I was like, you know what, let's tackle a project. The diffuser is an add-on, the wing is an add-on, just stuff that...
This is in a Varis piece or what?
It is.
Oh, it is?
It is, but it doesn't come with the kit.
It doesn't come with a kit.
Yeah.
Wait, how much is this kit?
The kit by itself was about $8,000.
Okay.
Because you get the carbon pieces.
Right.
They make it in the FRP as well version, which is like $6 grand. But then once you add the wing, you add the hood, you add the diffuser, you add all these other little things, it adds up pretty quick.
Wow, dude, this thing's wide. You know how much wider this is versus a stock
I think it
Evo?
was 60 millimeters wider.
Front and back?
Yeah.
Wow.
If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the wheels are 19 by 11, negative 30 offset all around.
What's up with that? Is that a real center lock?
It is a real center lock wheel. I have the 4-foot torque wrench that I have to use to be able to take them off. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's still a cool thing to have. Everybody's like, oh, is that center lock? Like, yeah, it is.
Does this drive you crazy?
Oh, absolutely.
Race car aero is so cool, but when you actually drive the car, this is what you get. Look at this. How do you clean that? How do you clean that?
A power washer and a dryer.
Power washer and a dryer. Oh my God.
My best friend.
I would hit that with like a compressor or something.
Well, yeah, I usually hit it with like compressed air or something just to get it out, or even a blower. If I'm home, then it usually gets everything out of there.
So when you wipe this down after you wash it, are you super careful to make sure that there's no like pebbles hidden somewhere?
Absolutely. Yeah, I'll usually wet it down really good, and then take like a microfiber and just run it through, just to take anything out of there.
The stands right here, are these actually carbon fiber?
Yes,
or?
it's full carbon.
So it's not just like aluminum with a carbon wrap.
Nope, it's full carbon fiber.
Oh,
it's the Varis Touch.
And who makes the hardware here?
Chasing J's actually made the hardware for the wing for me because I just wanted to do something a little bit different.
Yeah.
And plus the bolts from Varis tend to rust over time. So
because they're using steel?
Exactly.
Black oxide or what?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you got the steering wheel bolts from Chasing J's too?
Yep.
Yeah, I got that on my Miata.
Awesome. I put them all over the place, like little touches here and there.
Yeah.
But
definitely not cheap.
No.
But
absolutely
totally
not.
worth it. These are not stock.
No, those are Varis taillights too.
Whoa, they make taillights?
Yeah. They make taillights. I think they discontinued making the headlights, but yeah, they're LED taillights, and I've always been a fan of how they look.
That's cool. Now I know Varis pieces aren't cheap. How much is the whole kit together with everything that you spent on here, including the taillights?
Everything all together, even just the canards, the front canards were like $1,000. I think in total I spent close to 20 grand without body work.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
What are we seeing here?
So arcade titanium, intercooler piping, intake, he made all that stuff custom for me. JDM carbon, strut bar, titanium. Right now it's a big turbo. It's a Garrett 3582 big turbo kit from ETS. The car only has 22,000 miles on it, so I didn't feel a need to have to drop the motor and start building it.
Right.
So
how much boost?
Right now it's at 27 pounds of boost.
27 pounds?
Yeah, conservative. Like I said, it's just a safe car, nothing goes wrong, just get in and go.
So I guess you can't take friends in the back.
No.
No more. No friends. That's good though. You don't have to pick up anyone.
No, it makes it easier. Less weight too.
Yeah. So overall, how much do you think this whole build costs?
I am probably somewhere into the $60,000 range.
Oh wow, that's not bad.
And well, that's not including the parts that I'm waiting for.
Oh yeah, what you waiting for?
I'm waiting for my endless big brake kit, front and rear.
Okay.
That was,
because your Brembo's not cool enough.
Nah, you wanted to go bigger, go bigger, go
That's
home.
JDM stuff right there.
Exactly.